Good morning, student. Now we have to start with the new topic, dimensions of business environment. In previous videos, I told you what is business environment. Dimensions means what are the factors which affect the business. So, they are in your book. There are 5 factors are there. 5 types of environment are there which affect the business. The very first is economic environment. In the economic environment is related to interest rate, inflation rate, disposable income, disposable per income, stock market valuations, value of rupees in the market. These all are the factors which anyhow affect the demand supply of a firm, of any firm. Say that stock market value, stock market is going down, then the value of your shares will go down. It means firm is not performing well in market. In the same ways, if the value of rupee is decreasing, then the price of the commodity will increase. Then you have to slow down your production. In this way, there are many factors. These all are consist of economic factors which affect the functioning of a firm. The second is social environment. Social environment which is related to society. What is related to society? Our customer, our customs, our values, our social trend, our society expectations. These all are our tradition, how they will affect. Say Diwali is coming, then we need more lightning lamps and electronic jhalas, etc. So we start producing that thing. We will prepare for Holi, we will prepare different thing. For Eid, we will prepare different thing. So these our custom also affect the planning of the business. And according to our customs, our values, we have to plan our future aims, goals of the firm. Then technological environment. Technological environment, as you know, the business environment is dynamic in nature. It keeps on changing. So there are new techniques comes for the production also, and the taste and preferences of the customers changes time to time. Our new product customers want, and new line of production come to increase the production. These all give impact on business. As new techniques come, the traditional techniques of production become obsolete and they are thrown away, you can say, and new techniques are adopted. So production increases, so that production increases, and simultaneously the quality of product also increases. Then political environment. Political environment means how stable the government is. If government is stable, then the stability of firm will be there. Then the production increases in that condition. Then it is whether there is peace in a country or a war situation. Like this situation we are facing, Corona. At this time, the aim of many firms changes. They will do accordingly. They will produce more utility things, which are essential things for the customer. Luxurious items, production of luxurious items will go down at this stage. So these are the conditions which keeps on coming to in a regular business. Then legal environment. Legal environment means designation which is passed by the state government, central government, or the local body. We have to follow these. As someone is producing cigarette, so he has to print a warning, statutory warning that it is injurious for health. Someone is producing anything which we produce. So this legal environment means we have to obey all the taxes, like or we have to pay all the rules and regulations regarding to tax rates and etc. etc. We have to obey the Act, Companies Act 1956, 1951, and there are so many acts. We have to obey or follow all these restrictions which are laid down by the either by the central government, the state government, or local body. So this is our legal environment. So means total business environment is consist of these 5 main factors: economical, social, technological, political, and legal. That's it for this session. We will discuss another topic in next session. Thank you very much.